Opened and operated for 54 years, Russo Power Equipment has provided lawn and garden supplies for the local areas. Russo offers a wide variety of power equipment from lawnmowers and trimmers to edgers and leaf blowers. Many of these tools, offered by brands such as Toro, Steel, Exmark, and Redmax, are provided to the public by Russo Power. Other brands such as Skag also bring a lot to the table at Russo.
Midwest Supply Company, we represent Skag, simply the best mowing equipment, zero turns, that's commercial grade. It's just simply the best lawnmower out there.
Russo was also bringing in new brands into their market. Mean Green introduces a whole new line of mowers to the community.
You know, a quick way to say it is we're essentially the Tesla of the commercial mowing industry. We started back in 2008, so we've been doing this for, we're getting closer to 20 years than 10, you know, a long, long time. And we've always been electric from the beginning. We're the only guys in the industry that are building almost completely aluminum machines. And the reason we do that is because in the electric world, as everybody knows, you know, runtime is a big concern.
Russo is more than just a power equipment business. It's a family. Russo is the place to get great customer service when needing assistance with your power equipment. Many employees who work within believe that Russo is the place to be.
I think the family environment has always been an attractive piece, getting to know the people that I work with and the customers that we do business with has been a big joy, I think, in my tenure here.
Just with the staff that I've actually got here in Fort Wayne, in the branches that I've actually visited, it's a huge family. To sum it up, I mean, Russo is the place to work. I mean, they make sure they take care of their employees, and their employees here are to take care of the customers.
When you need a service or new parts for your power equipment, just know that Russo is just one call away.
Russo Power Equipment.
Visit russopower.com to find your nearest location and give us a call or text.